I've been trying to hit me with the 1, 2, 2, 3 uppercut punch, but your girl fighting back, okay?
Pull up for the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 rounds.
Hey cousins, so today's video is going to be a show and tell, but also a review. Because this unit right here on my head, I have been rocking for about a week now, on and off, but mostly on. So I have at least worn this unit for 5 days. If you guys want to see the install process and hear my overall opinion about this unit, be sure to stay tuned. All of Coleen Hair's information will be linked down below in my description box.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I missed that. I ain't trying to rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm trying to be with you.
I actually feel like the texture of this hair matches the edges, so I'm here for it. Wada, wada, wada. Need some music.
You. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you.
Now that you guys have seen the install process, let's hop into it. Wearing this unit has been an interesting process because this is like an all-purpose wig. If you need an all-purpose curly unit, Coleen Hair has you. I have seen this texture be manipulated on so many different levels. It can be really big. It can be very tame like I have it right now. It can be in between. The texture is in the 3C to like 4B category. The edges are like more of a 4A, 4B texture. So the kinky edges on this unit matches the texture very perfectly. How this hair will perform depends on the products you use. So products is very important with this wig. Of course, I'll link my Amazon storefront down below so you guys can get an overview of the products I have been using. I have staple curly hair products that work for all types of curly hair textures. So definitely check out my Amazon storefront for the exact curly hair products that I use. I've slept in this hair, I've turned up and partied in this hair, and I have some opinions about this hair. First off, if I had to rate it on a scale between 1 and 10, it's a strong 9 because it's so versatile. You can get so many looks with this unit. And I can just imagine if you're the type of girly who will straighten your curly unit, the look that you can achieve with this unit. I have not received much shedding at all. Only when I'm doing my curly hair routine do I get light shedding. I've slept in this unit several times, like I've mentioned before, and it doesn't tangle up much in the nape, which is excellent. I love doing my wig reviews like this, and comment down below and give me a thumbs up and share this video if you like that I try to wear my units for more than just one day, so you guys can get an overall opinion and review of how the hair performs. So, being a good weekend, can we get into it? Any footage that I may have from other days, I'll try to link it in this video if I remember, so you guys can just see like the different styles. I loved how it looked in the middle part, but of course y'all know I'm a left side part girly, so here we have it. I've manipulated the edges in different ways, but today, I think today's my favorite install. I finally have learned how I like to style the edges on this unit, because at first I was kind of leaving it fluffy, but today I have it more tamed and I'm here for it. As far as the longevity of this unit, if you're like me and you switch out your units, you'll have this wig more than likely for several years. If you wear your wigs like constantly for like months at a time, I foresee you getting at least 1 year wear out of this wig or more. If you guys are interested in checking out Coleen Hair, I'll be sure to link all their information down below in my description box. Whew, child, let me tell you, customer service top tier with this company. I love a company that responds back to me in a promptly manner. And excuse me, y'all, as I mentioned before, ever since I got back from Mexico, like, girl, the throat been throating, okay? My voice has not came back 100% since, which is crazy. But anywho, Coleen Hair will not disappoint you. Quality versus price versus customer service and shipping time, all 10 out of 10 for my personal experience. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a comment down below, like and share this video, and until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Let me tell you, life been trying to hit me with the 1, 2, 2, 3 uppercut punch, but your girl fighting back, okay? I can't wait until I'm mentally prepared and ready to give you guys a story time, because it's very much so needed. But thank y'all for rocking with me. Keep me in y'all prayers, and I'll keep y'all in my prayers. See you next video.